Do you wake up feeling puffy or sluggish? You might need this one simple morning massage. Your lymphatic system is like your body's drainage network, flushing out toxins and waste. When your lymph slows down, it leads to swelling, fatigue, and even skin issues. Just 5 minutes of daily massage can boost flow, reduce puffiness, and energize you. Start with gentle sweeps at the sides of your neck. Always go downward. Massage right above your collarbone to help clear lymph hubs. Use your knuckles to sweep from your jaw toward your ears. Gently push from your nose outward across the cheeks. Lightly sweep your forehead down toward your temples. Add a Gua Sha or Roller for deeper drainage and cooling effects. Massage works better when your body is hydrated. Drink a glass of water right after. Pair massage with light stretches or bouncing to move lymph faster. Lymphatic health is backed by science and ancient medicine. Signs of lymph stagnation, puffy face, fatigue, headaches, or acne? Best time, first thing in the morning, before makeup or exercise. Massage with lymph-friendly oils like grapeseed or jojoba for extra glow. Thousands swear by daily lymph massage for clearer skin and more energy. Consistency is key. Just 5 minutes a day can change how you feel. Make it part of your self-care. Pair with deep breaths and mindfulness. Save this video and try it tomorrow morning. Your lymph will thank you.